How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have one of these Lithium Ion Booster Pack, Jumpstarter, Power Bank, Flashlight combination units? Pretty much everybody out there does. Now, I purchased this one off Amazon. I was in the process of putting it through its paces, getting ready to do a review on it, and just stopped working. Now, I did a little bit of research. Turned out it was my own fault. I pushed it a little too hard, tried to jumpstart a motor that was just bigger than what it was rated for, and just wouldn't put out more than what the battery voltage of what I was trying to start is. So I figured, okay, well, it's scrap, might as well get rid of it, recycle it, throw it out, whatever. And I was thinking, you know what, I plug it in, it charges up, the light works, the USB ports work, everything else works, and I even test the voltage. And it reads full voltage. That thing is charged right up. So I started thinking, I think, you know what? The problem is in here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a company I found online that will sell a product that will take care of that problem. Here we go. So started doing some looking around, and I came up with this. A company called Upboost. They sell the heavy-duty jump starter cables. And provided you've got this end, which is called an EC5 plug. Like this one's the same. That one's the same. You got the round port, and you got a square end on the other one. So this will replace our faulty unit. I got a dead vehicle out in a driveway. Let's go out and I'll show you what this isn't doing and what this will. Here we go. Now, if there's anything I don't cover in this video about these Upboost heavy-duty jump starter cables, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video, or even if you want to pick up a set of your own for your own booster pack. Now, as you can see, this battery for this Honda CR-V 2-liter 4-cylinder engine down to less than 1 volt, 0.59. So I'm going to put the cables on that it failed and show you that they're not putting out any more than what the battery voltage is, and then we'll try the Upboost cables. So I got the cables that came with the unit on, and 0.79 volts. Definitely not enough to start this. So let's try the Upboost cables. So we'll plug in our Upboost cables. Oh, hear the ignition beeping. Kind of hard, cold out, kind of hard to hold the hand steady. But our booster pack is showing 16 volts. Let's see if it'll start. Now, I tried, but it looks like it shut off here. Let's try restart now. Try to put our cables on again. This vehicle hasn't been started in quite some time. Make sure the cables are on there good. Looks like that did the trick. It's not exactly great conditions either. We are definitely below freezing. Been snowing for a while now. Still gets you running. Now, like I said earlier in the video, the fact that this booster pack failed was nothing to do with the company, nothing to do with the booster pack. It was my own fault. I pushed it harder than what it was designed to do. In fact, it says it can start maximum 12-liter diesel engine. I tried to jump start a 13-liter Volvo diesel engine. Basically, asking them to do more than what it's designed to do. Now, it says right in the directions not to do that, and also not to crank for more than 3 seconds, which may be why when we're trying to jump start that CRV, that after it cranked for a little while, felt like it wanted to go, and then it kind of just timed out. Basically, it was protecting itself from overheating. So we just reset it, let it cool down, and try again, and it worked. Now, whenever you go to get replacement cables, you want to make sure you spec out cables that are strong enough for your power bank. In fact, this one's does 6,000 amps. This set of cables is spec'd out to be up to 6,000 amps, which is just right for this booster pack. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I definitely hope it helps someone save the price of having to buy a brand new jump starter when all you need is just a new set of cables. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.